Are you looking for Google Docs suggestion mode? If so, I'm going to show you how easy it is to turn on this feature in Google Docs. Now, as you can see here, I'm in Google Docs and I'm going to simply choose one of those random documents that I have here. So let's choose this letter and I'm going to open up this letter. So if you're editing any document and you're looking for the suggestion mode, then I'm going to show you how to do it. So once you're in your document, guys, all you have to do is basically go to the upper right section of the screen where you have editing, click this drop down and look at that. You have the suggestion mode. This allows you to edit your document without making any changes. So let me show you a few examples. So once you select this suggestion mode option, you can go ahead and click anywhere in your document, highlight it, and you will be able to add a comment here. So let's say you want to change this to whatever, you can click add a comment and you can just say change this or whatever, change this and make it better. Just say something like that. You will know what kind of comments you want to make for a suggestion in your document. So once you do that, you just need to go ahead and click comment and you will see that it is added there. Now you can go ahead and do that for whatever you want. So I'm going to choose, for example, another word. Let's say this, sincerely. Let me add this as an example as well. So let's click the plus comment here and just say change this to best regards or something like that, right? And just basically add my comment. So I'm not making any changes to the document, but just simply utilizing this. So if you're working on a document with multiple people or someone write the document for you, but you want to make some changes to it and you want to proofread it and make some suggestion to it, utilizing this feature is very cool. Using this feature is very good. You can make your suggestion to the documents and they will be able to find what words or section you're making the suggestion for. Once you're ready, you can always go ahead and turn off this document by putting it into edit mode and you see that the document is there just the same. So anyone who actually have access to this document, they'll be able to know which word you're making those suggestions for. So let's say another person is viewing the document and they want to know, okay, you want to make suggestion for this, you can click on it. You will see that it's highlighted and you will see what word or phrases you make the suggestion for. And that's it, guys. That's how you can easily do it. So this is a great way where you can proofread a document, make suggestion to the document or words in the document if you're, especially if you're working on a file or a document with multiple people. But that's it. Very easy and very simple how to turn on suggestion mode on Google Docs.